Now, what do you think about the process that is happening behind me, which is washing and dry cleaning? What do you think about it? Is it a service or is it manufacturing? Now, most of you might think that this is actually a service. And when we go to the laundry shops near our houses, we are standing in shops that are providing us services. But what if I tell you that strictly legally speaking, the places that you go to are not shops, rather they are factories. And the processes that they are involved into are not really services, but manufacturing processes. And this is not me saying, by the way, this is the Honorable Supreme Court saying. But why did the Supreme Court made such an observation and a decision? And what is the law exactly on this point is exactly what we will discuss in this video. Okay, so before going to the Supreme Court matter, let's just understand the law on this point first. And let's go to the Factories Act 1948 and specifically to section 2M of this act, which defines what a factory is. And broadly how it defines is that any premises where 10 or more workers are engaged in a manufacturing process is considered to be a factory. And this term manufacturing process is again defined in section 2K of this act. And if you read this definition, it makes it very clear that washing and cleaning of any article or substance for its use, delivery, transport, sale falls within the definition of manufacturing process. And just like most of you were not aware about this legal definition, the people who are actually involved in this industry operating laundry services were also not aware that they were legally factory owners, and consequently they did not apply for factory licenses. And due to this, there were certain proceedings that were initiated against such factory owners. And one of these matters actually went up to the Supreme Court. And the Supreme Court, on the basis of the two definitions that I've already discussed, held in very clear terms that laundry and dry cleaning are not services, rather they come under the definition of manufacturing processes, and people who are operating this in the premises with 10 or more workers are considered to be factory owners. Which essentially means that the proceedings that were initiated against such factory owners for not obtaining licenses and for flouting various norms as per the Factories Act are legitimate and they cannot be dismissed on this basis.